everyone, my name is Bella Shesmaniman, and I will show you the history and cultural data of Barangay San Francisco, Batangas City. Let's go on. There's a certain public elementary school in the barrio. Although the people have just started in giving their children the necessary education needed. Presently, this barrio is called San Francisco. Formerly, it was called San Jose Plainview, but most often it was misinterpreted to the town of San Francisco in the post office, so it was given the annex name Sico, which was taken from the fact that the central portion of the barrio lies right on the curve upward led by the road from Batangas leading to Taysan. Original families in the barrio are those of Macarius Lodin Juan Ramos, Modesta Macaret, Felipe Manalo, and Francisco Rosales. The nominations of del barrio from the past to the present are as follows. Macarius Lodin, B. Salibos Perez, C. Juan Chavez, D. Francisco Escal, and E. Apolorio Perez. Today, as a modern civilization has found its way on various parts of the country, the barrio colonies here are just beginning to adapt the changes about by similarity is still a part of our everyday living, and the spirit of bayanihan still exists. People are polite and obedient too. On the other hand, the habit of walking barefooted, eating with bare hands, lack of necessary proper way of waste disposal, stray pigs, chickens, and other animals, gambling, stealing, or not so important things, drinking, especially among the juveniles, are among the barrio serious problems at present. That's it for my hometown, San Francisco, Batangas City. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I hope we see you again. That's it.